Kikuyu MP Kimani Ichung'wah has found himself in a contentious situation following remarks he made during the funeral of the mother of National Assembly Speaker Moses Wetangula. The statements, which were made in the presence of a large audience, including President William Ruto, have sparked a legal threat from Trans Nzoia Governor George Natembeya. Through his legal representatives, Natembeya has issued an ultimatum to Ichung'wah demanding a formal apology within 3 days. The governor claims that Ichung'wah's remarks were defamatory and intended to harm his reputation. Natembeya insists the apology should be published in 3 major national newspapers: Nation, Standard, and The Star. Failure to comply, the governor warns, will result in legal action. In a statement from Natembeya's lawyers, the governor accuses Ichung'wah of making inflammatory allegations. Specifically, Ichung'wah is said to have implicated Natembeya in abductions and killings during his tenure as the Rift Valley Regional Commissioner in the previous administration. These claims, the governor asserts, were not only false, but were delivered in a manner designed to portray him as a murderer and an unethical public servant. The remarks are alleged to have suggested that Natembeya was responsible for the abduction and killing of innocent Kenyans, with bodies allegedly disposed of in River Yala. Natembeya's legal team argues that such statements have caused significant reputational damage, warranting a public apology of equal prominence to the accusations. This controversy unfolded during a solemn occasion, casting a shadow over the funeral service for Wetangula's mother. The issue of abductions took center stage, with Governor Natembeya appealing directly to President Ruto to address the ongoing fears surrounding the disappearances of young men. He emphasized the plight of families living in uncertainty and fear, calling for decisive action to end such threats. Ichung'wah's remarks, whether made out of conviction or political posturing, have ignited a broader conversation about the responsibility of public officials to avoid inflammatory rhetoric. At a time when the nation is grappling with concerns over forced disappearances, such statements risk exacerbating tensions and diverting focus from finding solutions. This incident also underscores the delicate balance between freedom of expression and accountability for public discourse. While leaders are entitled to critique and debate, the potential impact of their words, particularly on sensitive issues, cannot be ignored. Natembeya's demand for an apology highlights the growing importance of ensuring that political dialogue remains constructive and free from baseless accusations. As the nation watches this legal confrontation unfold, it serves as a stark reminder of the need for civility in public discourse. Kenya continues to face challenges in addressing past injustices and ensuring that its leaders foster unity rather than division. The outcome of this dispute could set an important precedent for how allegations are handled in the country's political landscape.